Hello, cryptocurrency enthusiast traders and investors who are interested in the future of decentralized finance. Welcome to our channel where we bring you in-depth analysis, real news, and reliable projections about the world of blockchain and Web3 digital currencies. Today, we are going to talk about a historic milestone for Bitcoin. In mid-2025, BTC surpassed the $109,000 mark for the first time, driven by a calmer global environment and a reduction in tension between major world powers. That's right, with conflicts such as those in Ukraine and the Middle East entering a cooling phase, and with central banks maintaining stable rates, Bitcoin took advantage of the moment to soar again. In this video, we will explore what were the main factors that led the price of Bitcoin to this new peak, how geopolitical stability affects the crypto market, why major investors are turning their attention to BTC, and whether this rise can be sustainable in the long term. If you want to understand why Bitcoin continues to rise even after reaching so many records, keep watching until the end. Bitcoin was $109,000. At the beginning of 2025, many already doubted that Bitcoin could climb even further after surpassing the $100,000 barrier. This increase was not random. It came together with important changes in the global scenario, especially a significant reduction in geopolitical tensions. Conflicts that previously put pressure on financial markets and increased risk aversion are beginning to show signs of truce. And this is freeing up space for capital flows towards assets seen as protection against monetary uncertainties, and Bitcoin is increasingly on this list. Why does the geopolitical truce impact Bitcoin? You may be wondering, how can a reduction in conflicts in the Middle East or Europe influence the price of Bitcoin? The answer lies in the behavior of the global financial market. When there is war, instability, or political crises, investors tend to seek liquidity, and this means they sell risky assets and seek safety in gold, bonds, and strong currencies like the US dollar. But in recent months, with a series of diplomatic understandings and less volatility in emerging markets, many of these investors are returning to Bitcoin. Only now, it is no longer seen as a speculative asset, but rather as a safe and decentralized alternative reserve. Institutional capital flows continue to strengthen the market. In addition to the improving global climate, another important reason for the rally is the continued strengthening of the institutional market. Spot ETFs approved in the United States have attracted billions of dollars in new investments. Large pension funds and global asset managers are buying BTC as part of their strategies to hedge against inflation and currency devaluation. And with less geopolitical risk on the radar, these players are more willing to expand their positions in the crypto sector. But will this really last? Despite the impressive rise, experts warn that we should not confuse momentum with stability. Bitcoin remains a volatile asset. Even with lower global risk, any unexpected change in interest rates or traditional markets can trigger corrections. Even so, the market fundamentals seem solid. Growing institutional adoption, technical improvement and network scalability, reduction in average volatility, greater regulatory acceptance in several countries. These factors indicate that Bitcoin may be entering a new phase, less speculative, more integrated into the global financial system. Where can the price go? Many analysts are revising their predictions based on current market dynamics. Some see potential for BTC to surpass $120,000 by 2025, especially if demand for ETFs remains strong. Others point out that the favorable macroeconomic environment could keep Bitcoin on an upward trajectory, with even higher peaks in the coming years, especially with the rise of asset tokenization, DeFi, and mass adoption. The path seems clear. Bitcoin is consolidating itself as digital gold, and there is no sign of this trend stopping anytime soon. Bitcoin surpassed $109,000 amid a truce in geopolitical tensions and a strengthening of the institutional market. This combination is helping to shape a new phase of the crypto market, one that is more mature, connected, and strategic. If you've been following this development closely, it may be time to rethink your positioning on BTC. We are no longer in the world of Bitcoin is just speculation. Now, it is part of a new financial reality. If this video helped you understand this movement better, like it, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the bell to receive notifications whenever we release content about cryptocurrencies, market analysis, and future trends. Leave your comment. Do you believe that Bitcoin will continue to rise? Or do you think a major correction is coming? See you in the next video, and remember to invest wisely, always learn, and be prepared for the future of digital money.